How about this? What letter?
R.
R is for? R is for? R. R is for?
Robot.
Robot. How about this?
Z.
Z. Z is for? Z is for?
Zucchini.
Zucchini. What number is that?
6.
6. Okay, put it there.
What is it?
How about this?
J.
J is for?
Jump.
Jump. Okay, next.
O.
O is for? O is for? O.
Olive.
Olive. Good
Good
job.
job.
How
Awesome.
awesome. How about this?
J is the jump.
How about this? What letter is this?
K.
K.
K is for key.
K.
K is for kite.
Kite. K is for kite. How about this?
L.
L is for?
U.
L is for?
Lamp.
Lamp. Good job. How about this?
Q.
Q is for? Q is for? Is for
Quail.
quail. Okay. Good
L.
job.
U.
How about this?
Lamp. P.
P is for?
Play.
Plague. How about this?
O. U.
U is for?
O.
O.
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Because it's raining. Okay. Next. What color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job.
Yellow is
Yellow is?
a sun.
Sun. Sun is yellow. How about this?
Orange.
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 I like fruit.
I like fruit. Orange fruit. Okay.
Fruit.
What shape is this?
Circle.
Circle. Good job.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Orange.
Orange. How about this? What shape is this?
Square.
Square. Good job.
Yellow.
Good job.
Circle.
Oh.
Square.
Square. What number is this?
2.
2. How about this?
1.
No?
7.
7. How about this? Zachy, what number? What number is this?
What number is this?
Look here.
Circle.
How about this?
5.
5.
It's number 5.
Yes, number 5. How about this?
5 pink. A.
A is for?
A.
A. A.
Anchor.
Anchor. How?
Apple.
Apple. How about this?
Apple.
E. E is for?
5.
E.
5.
E sa E. E is for? E. E is for?
5.
E is for? E. E is for? E is for?
12.
No, wait sa. E is for? E is for? E is for? Oh, wala na namin na. Oh, here. What number is this?
12.
12.
12.
12. Letter. What letter is this?
K. X.
X. X is for?
Xylophone.
Xylophone. Mahulog ka. Here lang, here. Come here. Saan naman ka?
Orange.
What number is this?
Orange.
What number is this?
3.
3. What shape? What shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle.
Hi, now.
Oh. How about this? What letter is this?
Did the change?
Okay.
Change.
Okay. What letter?
D.
D is for? D is for?
Da. Da.
D. D is for?
Daddy.
Daddy. What color is this?
Red.
Red. How about this one?
S.
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 It-
S. Yellow.
S is for?
Stop.
Stop. Okay.
Red.
How about this? What letter is this? Look at it. Red.
Red.
What letter?
I like apple.
Ah, you like apple because apple is red. How about this? What letter is this?
N.
N is for?
Mm.
Mm,
Mm.
mm,
Nut.
nuts. How about this?
O. V.
V is for? V.
Butter.
Vulture. How about this? What letter is this? H is for?
Happy.
Happy. Good job.
Awesome.
Awesome. How about this?
W.
W is for?
Water.
Water. Okay.
X.
What's this? What number?
One.
One.
Red.
Okay. How about this? What
One.
color is this?
Black.
Black. What letter is this?
M.
No. This one?
Bay.
B. B is for?
Ball.
Ball.
B.
B.
Boy.
Boy.
Black.
Black. How about this? What letter is this?
I like blue sky.
I like blue sky. There's no blue sky. It's raining, man. Oy, it's cloudy. The sky is cloudy.
Cloudy.
What letter is this?
Cloudy brown.
Look here. Zachy, not listening. Oh, look at this. Look at here. Look here.
Rain.
What letter is this? What letter?
Blacky.
What letter is this?
I.
I is for? I.
I is for in.
In. It's for in. How about this? What letter is this?
C.
C is for?
Cookie.
Huh?
Cookie.
Cookie. Good job. How about this? What number is this?
D is for.
4.
Follow. Follow.
Roll number 4. Follow
The line.
the line. What letter is this?
M.
M is for?
Mm. Monkey.
Monkey.
Maroon.
How about this?
5.
What number is this?
10.
10.
Bye.
What color is this? Oh, this one's
Green.
green.
I like green and I play in the grass.
Oh, the grass is green.
Grass is green.
Yes.
Grass.
How about this? What letter is this?
U is for up.
Oh, U is for up. How about this? What letter is this?
A.
Look here. Look at this.
Y.
Y. Y is for?
E.
E.
Green.
Y is for?
Y.
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 Oh, the car.
Y.
Y.
Y is for? Y is for? Look. Oh, hold the letter Y. Y is for?
Y.
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 Yeah.
Yacht. Okay. What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. Good job.
Bye-bye.
How about this? What number is this?
9.
9.
9 is
How about this?
11.
11. How about this? What shape is this?
Rectangle.
Good job. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye. Bye, friends. See you next time.
See you next time.
And click here.
Subscribe.
Okay, bye.
Black.